if nangita kag nindot kaay na lugar, sama ning dako kaay na hawa na park, guwapa na boardwalk og daghang pagkaon, then save this video for your next laag. Hey guys, Kenneth here, and welcome to Mandani Bay. And they are located sa Mandaue, Cebu, and dali ra jud siya tultulon. And guys, Mandani Bay will be a next big thing diri sa Cebu. And since hapit na ang Pasko, Mandani Bay just launched and opened their Christmas village in the bay na perfect kayo laagan together with your family, friends, and colleagues. And guys, dili jud mo magutman kay daghan kaayo food shop sa Mandani Bay. Sama ni Potato Corner, Belgian Waffles, Thirsty, Yobo Yogurt, Red House Shabu Shabu, Akasha Steakhouse, Yukga, Poke Bowls, LK Bakery, Etas Restaurant, and Place Sprouts. And pwede rin mo mag-grocery sa Metro Corner and the Watson's Pharmacy. Plus, dako kaayo na parking and it's for free. So, unsa pa man ang imong giwat, kuyuga ang imong pamilya, barkada, uyab o katrabaho, and visit na sa Mandani Bay. And salamat sa pagtanaw!